Hey everyone, I'm Eric from Rollwalk. Great to see you all again. Today, I'm going to show you how to pair our remote control with the AirW3. Normally, the skates you receive has already been paired and should work just like this. But in case unexpected situation occurs and the connection loses, let's quickly go over how to pair it. First, turn on the AirW3 and you will see a steady red light indicating that it is disconnected from the remote control. Now we need to put both skates in pairing mode, press and hold the power buttons on both skates for about 5 seconds, and then notice that the red lights will start flashing every half seconds, shows that both skates are now in pairing mode. Okay, let's power on the remote control and press both buttons to make it enter pairing mode, then it should connect with the skates within 1 or 2 seconds. Take a close look. We can see battery information along with 2 blinking triangles. Means that remote control has successfully connected with the skates. Now let's test if the drive wheels are receiving the signal from the remote control. See, they appear to connect now. Then place the skates on the floor and perform a quick test. Here I want to remind you all to carefully read the manual before using the AirW3 and familiarize yourself with the safety precautions. Additionally, if you are a beginner without any roller skating experience, I recommend wearing protective gear to prevent any injuries. If you encounter any issues during use, just feel free to contact us using the provided contact information. Thank you all for your patience and attention.